Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. How you doing? Today we're doing a recipe ripoff. It's called Panda Express Mushroom Chicken. I'm a fan of Panda Express. I know it's not as good as like P.F. Chang's or Pei Wei, but when all you got in Tennessee is Panda Express, you go to Panda Express. Unless you're downtown, then you go to Pei Wei. But anyway, so I got to show you this. This cracks me up. So we decided to let Walmart pick all our groceries. We did one of those where you drive up and they load your car, right? And they're super sweet there. I'm very impressed with how polite they are. And so we had to have ginger in this recipe. So this is ginger. This is a lot of ginger. I was blown away until I realized this piece had broken off. And this is the ginger they gave us. Look how big this is. This is like a roadmap. I've never seen a recipe ask for this much ginger. Have you? Anyway, I think Ginger, Marianne, Gilligan, and the captain are all in here. But I'm just going to set Ginger right there, and then I'm going to show you up close what all the ingredients are. You guys ready? Panda Express mushroom chicken. So you got to have mushrooms. We got the mushrooms. Got to have some chicken. We got a pound of chicken here. We're going to cut that up in a minute. Got some sweetener. Got some rice vinegar. Got all of ginger right here. We got some canola oil. We got some sesame oil, zucchini, more ginger over here. Then we got some garlic. Then we got some soy sauce. And there's some ginger hiding over here. Hey, how you doing? And then we got cornstarch. You guys ready? Let's get started. Okay, see our chicken is cut up into bite-sized pieces. Well, they said to do it in slivers. We did it in cubes. It really doesn't matter. It's chicken. All right, we're going to coat it with a little bit of cornstarch. So just go ahead and shake it. I'm doing it by eye. There was a measurement in the recipe, but as long as we got some dumped there. Okay, and then you're going to mix this all in. You want me to use a glove or my hand? Just so we make sure we get all the chicken coated, then not enough. Then you're going to coat the chicken in the cornstarch. All right, guys. Heat yourself up a skillet and be ready with a little bit of oil. Okay, grab your canola oil. Now, you don't have to use canola oil. You could probably use vegetable or a little olive oil, maybe coconut. Just gonna put a little bit at the bottom. And for flavor, a little sesame oil. Put a little bit more. There we go. Oh, that smells great. You get that mixed in and coated all over the bottom. Then you're going to take your pieces of chicken and drop them in here. Try and keep them spaced out so they all cook evenly. Now what you're going to do right here is a little bit of time, you're going to brown all your chicken and place it back on a plate or in a bowl off to the side so then we can do our vegetables next. So let's get all our chicken brown first. Okay, all the chicken has been browned. Now we're going to put a little bit more oil in. There we go. And just a splash of sesame oil just for more flavor. There we go. This is for the vegetables now, so we're gonna, the pan's hot already. So let me lower I'll just leave it where it is. It's on a medium flame, see? The oil's hot, the pan's hot, so let's get cooking. There we go, got zucchini in there. And the mushrooms. Okay, all the chicken has been browned. Now we're going to put a little bit more oil in. There we go. And just a splash of sesame oil just for more flavor. There we go. This is for the vegetables now, so we're gonna, the pan's hot already. So let me lower the, well, I'll just leave it where it is. It's on a medium flame, see? The oil's hot, the pan's hot. So let's get cooking. There we go, got zucchini in there. And the mushrooms. All right, let's get got our ginger right here. Throw that in. Got our minced garlic. Throw that in. And get that mixed in with the vegetables while the vegetables are getting all sauteed. Nothing sticking to this. This pan's great. I cannot tell you how happy. It's probably the happiest I've ever been with cookware. So if you want to see the review on the rock pans, check out my video from last week, and you'll see we do a couple tests on these pans to see if they hold up. All right, in this bowl we got the rice wine vinegar, the soy sauce, and the sweetener. This is what makes it so delicious. So let's place it all in there now. There we go. Get that all mixed in. This is starting to look familiar, isn't it? If you know, I mean, you could smell this. This is probably the healthiest version of Panda Express you'll ever have. This smells amazing. Get everything coated. All right, everybody, there it is. Panda Express mushroom chicken. Wait, no, that's the ginger. Let's go get the good stuff. Now that is Panda Express mushroom chicken. Unbelievable. I can't wait to try it. Are you ready? Are you ready? This was so easy, and this is one of my favorite dishes at Panda Express. This is a great recipe. Anybody could do this. Well, if I can do it, anybody can do it. Here we go. It's gonna be burning hot. I don't care. I don't care. That's it. It's like you just walked into the restaurant and you ordered it and they're like, well, we don't have enough. And then they call for more from the kitchen, they dump it in. That's what that tastes like. The vegetables are beautiful, tender, soft. Soy saucy? Is that a word? Anyway, that's it. Okay, guys. This is a home run. You've got to try this, all right? Do me a favor and donate to Convoy of Hope. That's somebody we support monthly here from the show. We love them. We like what they do. They do it worldwide, so it's not just America. So if you live in another country, you're still supporting a good cause. They provide medicine, they provide food and clothing, and I love those guys. So you guys take care, and I'll see you on the next episode.